You seem nervous.
Do I?
Yes. Are you nervous?
Not here, too.
Not here what?
It doesn't matter. You wouldn't understand. No one does.
What won't I understand?
It happens all the time. All times of the day. Even when it's raining. Even when it shouldn't be happening at all.
I'm not sure I understand. What's happening all the time?
I can't explain it. It's something you have to see, but I'm the only one who can see it.
Can you show me what you see?
I can. But you're just like everyone else. You don't see. See? You don't even see it. Just like I said, you don't even see it.
See what? Tell me, what is it you see?
I see broken sprinklers.
You see them when they're running? You see them when they aren't running?
I see them all the time. I see them watering the pavement, spouting without heads, over-pressurized, wasting water.
Do people know they are broken?
They don't see them. They only see what they want to see. All they see is green grass. They don't even know they're wasting water.
What do you think they want?
They want to be fixed. They want their heads replaced. They want to be directed to plants, not pavement. They want their pressure reduced. They want people to stop irrigating in the hottest part of the day and when it's raining out.
I think so too. You're going to help them.
How?
With these. You're going to flag the broken sprinklers so they can be fixed.
They just wanted to be fixed.
I know. I'm going to fix them. We're going to fix them.
You don't have to have sprinkler scents to spruce up your sprinkler. Before you begin watering, have an irrigation specialist, certified by a Water Sense labeled program, inspect and repair your irrigation system. It makes water sense.